this lecture, I'll give you an introduction to Flippa dashboard. As mentioned in the previous lecture, Flippa is mostly used for websites and domain trading, but the focus of this course is on Android apps. So if you click on apps, a drop-down menu will pop up. I started by trading cheap apps to begin with because I was unsure whether the app trading itself was a legitimate business, and I did not want to find out the hard way after losing thousands of dollars. For you guys, I would recommend buying editor's choice apps, which are a bit more expensive but can generate good income provided you set up everything correctly. So for example, you might want to buy this let's find one. So let's say you want to buy cheap flights. Click on that, and if you want to watch how the bidding is going, you can click on this. Usually it becomes watching once you click on watch. So it's like every time a new bid comes up, you receive an email, and you are aware like how the bidding is going and so forth. So for now, for example, I'll just place a bid $1,100 and click on place bid, and $1,100, you have to check this box and click on place bid. But for now I won't, because if I click on it, I will be obliged to buy it, otherwise Flippa will pursue a legal action against me. So yeah, so that's how we do it, and I prefer to do a bit more research before buying an app, like install it myself, have a look, check if all the ads come up properly, how the app is, how the look and feel is, and that kind of thing. So I just want to try those things before I actually buy an app. I recommend you do the same thing. And the other thing is, if you want to visit your dashboard, click on the arrow beside your username, and it shows all your activities till date. So you should see, like at the top, my finished listing. So I sold this app not for a great amount, but I sold it a couple of days ago. And below that, you should see watched listings. So whichever app I click to watch, so it comes up on the list. And once you buy an app, there is an option to give feedback as well, how the transaction went, and you can rate buyers, sellers, and things like that. So these at the bottom, these are the apps I have bought so far, and basically it's straightforward but can be confusing to a new starter. So I recommend you log in to your account and go through it yourself. So I'll leave you with browsing your account, and I'll see you in the next lecture.